I am customizing my van. We need to fit 3 people up front in this cargo van. I found a supplier of used and new custom seats for the center of this van. They are pretty expensive, but it's cheaper than a train ticket. So first, what I did was remove the console, what Chevy calls the doghouse, from the center of the dashboard to try to free up some legroom. The 4 bolts holding it in were very easy to remove. Now that it is out, I ordered a cup holder from Amazon like this one. I will bolt it in the space where the doghouse was, aka also known as the glove box and console. Now that it is out, I'm waiting on the seat. I will install the cup holder and paint the van with white Raptor bedliner tomorrow to clean up the scrapes from years on the job. The seat comes with mounting brackets and has included storage space. Leave it to the internet. If you can think of it, someone, somewhere, is building it. Thanks for watching.